fucking truck.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this episode on the road. Let's give you a little bit of box action. Wait for it to focus. Come on, box focus. There we go. It's a classic Jordan. It's the Air Jordan 3 Retro Black, Bright Crimson, Cyan Purple. Oh, it's an old shoe. Guys around, you'll be getting a size 9 in this. So you can see this is size 11 and a half. You guys should have seen it. Not a bad Jordy. I'll get it cleaned up. It's time for me to get my Jordan 3s on the road. I'm going to be wearing more Jordan 3s this year. Placing my Jordan 5s. In fact, I'm tired of cleaning the Jordan 5s and all the other stuff. I'll still probably get a couple pairs in our collection if they're the good ones. But I'm not really interested in Jordan 5s right now. Especially since you got to fight. Get your Jordan 5s. There were so many shootings, fightings, and everything over those Raging Bulls. We're going back to the early 90s where this shoe came from. This shoe is about 8 years old. Can't remember. It's a good shoe though. I like this colorway. No separation, no anything. It's just a good, perfect shoe. This is why I'm starting to really like the Jordan 3s again. Like I said, the shoe is 8 to 9 years old, still holding up, still doing fine. I'm going to put it some sandwich baggies today after I finish doing this. To get ready to clean it and do the ozone protection on there. It's just going into my wearing rotation. Because I just got another staring pair of these. So I have 2 staring pairs. And this will be my wearing pair. Put some miles on this year. Alright, let's get on with the next shoe, guys. Back, guys. Let's get this next box on here. Focus, just let it focus for you guys a bit. There we go. This is the Adidas Forum Mid F-White. Let's say scarlet and gray. Let's get these out of the bag, see what they're like, guys. Got some type of okay. It says it's to keep mold out of the bag. Yeah, I guess. I'm happy. I don't want no mold. I guess Adidas mold must be something up with the forums if we get some mold on there. Alright, let's get that up in there good for you guys. Let's test this leather. Oh, this leather is buttery. For all my forum lovers, again, this one is for you. I'm going to keep doing some forums. Everybody's saying that they don't see enough of them. Got some lenties on this shoe. Maybe that's what that mold packet was supposed to be keeping up. Very good shoe. Good suede, good leather. Oh, Jordan. You guys got to watch out. They're getting it again, Jordan. Got to buy a mid. You might as well get a Forum mid because these aren't bad. This is a pretty good shoe. Got a little bit bottom action. Very good shoe. I like this Forum. Glad I got this colorway. Like I said, never took it out the box yet. So you guys are getting to see it with me. You get a pair of white laces and a white ankle locks if you want to change the red ones up here. Got super premium leather. Oh my God, guys, the leather on this shoe is so premium. 3 gray stripes. Suede, plastic into the midsole again, a great midsole. Cat is over here ripping up the bag I just took it out of. Of course, you know, I forgot to mention the Adidas logo. On the back, you get suede to the gray plastic to the midsole again. Oh, guys, this suede just feels so soft. It's like nappy yet smooth. I don't know how they did this. And this red one up here is just totally napped out. Whole upper just feels great, guys. Kind of hard to explain. This is a very high quality shoe. Very high quality shoe. Things only like $100. And you get the little netting at the bottom as well on the midsole on this side. Oh man, everything is just good on this shoe, guys. Just a good shoe. Definitely check out the forums, guys. Then you get the bottom of this one. Get gray, white with the little red hit. Oh, just a good shoe, guys. All right, let's get on with this last shoe. All right, guys, let's get this last shoe on. This is a hash wall purchase. I've got these. Complete my Just Don collection from our new favorite store, eBay. I was gonna unload them, but I'm gonna keep them. There was some discrepancies with the shoe, even though eBay passed it, as you guys can see on the verification stamp. This shoe is the Jordan 312 Just Don lime green, I believe. If I'm getting it wrong, check down in the video, and I have the correct name of the shoe and the video description. This, like I said, the 321 is one of my favorite shoes. I just like them. Like I said, this should finish me off. Unexpectedly, I gotta go find my other ones, so we're gonna go through and we'll probably do a whole colorway video, all the shoes that I have, and same amounts of colorways of. Like I said, this is an eBay purchase again. For the leather on this shoe, if you guys don't know, any of the Just Don 312s, it's all great. The quality of this one is over the top. You get the, let me get this out of here for you guys. The Nike Air, well, you know, Jordan Air back. It would have been better in my opinion if it said Nike Air. And then I don't know if you guys, let's let you guys see this, but you get the Just Don Nike toe tag. Just an all-around good shoe. I really enjoy it. Thank all you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see next. Keep your collections growing, and we're going to keep the channel rolling. Everybody fucking jump!